Hello world, welcome back to my bucket list day. And in the last couple episodes we talked about how and why I created my bucket list, but I'm kind of tired of talking about all that stuff and ready to have some fun. How about you? So in this episode we're going to go to Sarasota. You're going to meet one of my very special close friends and bucket list buddy, Joanne, and she's going to join me on this trip. And we're going to have a little boating, do a little shopping, and a few other things in store. So stay tuned and we'll be back right after this. Welcome back. Let's take a peek at what happened when we tried to christen this RV. It was actually hilarious and kind of a foreshadowing of what's to come. Take a peek. So we stand here, we're going to christen the new RV, the fifth wheel. We haven't named her yet, but we're going to christen her for good luck anyway.
Safe travels.
And safe travels. And Joe, you have anything you want to say? As the air conditioner is dripping on us.
Yeah.
And we christened these on his maiden voyage. Well, maybe not. Holy crap. Where did you put this in? There we go. That was a hell of a hit. So these are all the epic fails that you're going to see in these journeys coming forward with my bucket list day. I got it. It's dripping.
That's awesome.
Okay, we thought that was hilarious. Our first stop is at a place in a river that I was going to try to walk on water. And I didn't do so well. Take a look at this and you'll see what I mean. Well, we had fun doing that. However, I will say I never really got that great at it. It took me 40 minutes just to get to that skill level. If you are a bucket list buddy and you're an insider, you can see behind the scenes of what really happened and how many times I basically fell on my face. So that's kind of enjoyable as well. I know everybody loves to see me crash and burn. At any rate, so from here, we traveled on to Sarasota and rented a boat and did a few things that were kind of fun. So sit back, watch, and enjoy. Don't forget to like this video. Hello everybody. Just another day, bucket list day. Here we are, going down the Intercoastal in Venice, Florida. Having a great time, beautiful morning. What do you think, Joe? It's awesome.
That's perfect.
It is awesome. So we're going to show you some scenes, some massive houses that we've seen. And right now, as you see, the bridge is closing. It just opened up for a big boat. So we're going to go under that. We'll be in Inglewood area. So, as we captain this little rental boat that we bought, look at this thing. It's like a toy. It's a tiny little boat, but we're having a lot of fun on it. So, love the hat, right? Hee-haw! Especially when the wind blows it back like this. Jo can't contain herself. Look at her. She's just beside herself. She's making fun of me, guys.
Oh my God.
I hope you come to my defense that I'm protecting my head,
No, I really
my ears, and my nose.
That's because of the white.
And my white lips.
And your white nose.
And my white nose, yeah. I don't like the sun that much. I try not to get too much.
Me neither.
So all my dermatologist friends out there, you'll appreciate that. So after a morning on the boat, we had a blast. We decided to go back, get cleaned up, and head into St. Armand's Circle to do a little shopping and have some dinner.
Hi. Here,
Picking out shoes.
here, look, men's all over, please.
Oh, I don't need any more.
We can talk about it. There's everywhere.
No, I need the
It's got the same thing. There's a cheap version of these. Come on, check it out. Find a pair, please, before I buy them for you. You'll take them.
I know, it's David Allen Coe. David Allen Coe. No, it's not.
You're right. There's probably a couple of cords.
Hey, Joe. Wave. You're about to get a shower. That weekend was a blast. We had so much fun. We still talk about it today.